Hello friends, today in this video I am going to create a simple image hover effect. As you can see this example, when I hover this image, then the text part of this image comes with the animation from the backside, which look pretty well to this kind of images. So we are going to create this, but before this I want to tell you some important things. That first, after seeing this tutorial you will be definitely able to create more dynamic image hover effect. And second thing, that I want to show my work that I have done in the YouTube channel. The first work is the website. As you can see, when I hover this link, then there have been a slightly transition at the upside, and when I hover this image, then it turns to the gray side. And the second example is the social link icon. When I hover this social link icon, then the background changes to the linear gradient. The third work, I want to show you the transition effect. When I click to the loading part, then there have been a slightly transition. So let's get started before getting too late. So here, coming to the desktop, you can find a folder named image hover. When I click on this, then there have been three things. First one is the image that is required to create the web page. Second one is the markup language. Third one for styling our markup. So let's open with the code editor. Here in this index.html, I have created the basic syntax of my markup. Here I have used HTML tag, head tag, and inside the head tag I have given the title to my document. Here I have linked my CSS file, and in the CSS file I have done some basic CSS. In the body section I have given margin 0, padding 0, and font family 20 pixel. So after coming to the index.html, in the body section you have to create a div of class container. Inside this, create image with the image path and cut this alternative part because we do not want to show it. Here create a div of class text area where we will put our content. Here in this, first we will give the heading h2. It is simple quietly well and giving the heading simple heading. Here in this paragraph, put a dummy paragraph lorem ipsum and then cut some few part because we do not want to show such content. Here opening with the live server, here is the preview. As you can see my image and simple heading and paragraph. In the style.css, first we are going to give the background color. Here it is green boro. As you can see, it is slightly gray, not too much gray. Here in this container part, we going to display will be flags, align item will be center, and justify content will be center, so that the content part and the image will come at the center. But I have mistaken something. I look like, and width is 400 pixel, height is 250 pixel, as you can see, but there has been no preview. So just at the body section, put the width is 100%, height is 100%, after 100 vh and viewport height, and then saving it, no effect. Then put this part on the body section. Here is the preview. As you can see, our text and the image have been at the center. So here overflow will be hidden, so that the text area which is coming downward and scroll will not come outside the image. So here the perspective I have given 500 pixel because we are creating the 3D animation in 2D. So we have put the perspective 500 pixel, which is preserve 3D. In the image, put the image width is 100%, so that the complete image will be fitted on the box. Here the transition will be 0.5 second. When I hover the image, then the transition will be shown for 0.5 second, and in the container part I have given again the transition for 0.5 seconds, but having a ease, so that it will be visible what actually the transition is taking place. Here in the text area, then the what I so here in the container section, put the position relative, and in the image put the position absolute, as you can see. And there have been a rule that in the parent you have to give the relative, and in the child you have to give the absolute position. So top 0, left 0 at the corner left. Then the width is 100%, height is again 100%. So entire div is contained. Here the background color I want to give 000. As you can see, now we are giving the color will be white, so that the text will be visible. Here we are going to style this. Then we are having a transition of 0.5 second. So as you can see, in the before section we have also created the transition. and here I have created the transition transform origin. Here in the transform origin we create x-axis coordinate and y-axis. As you can see this on the screen where I have created, and transform origin for the text area is 50% and 0. And if you don't know what the transform origin work, then you please search on the Google, because without this property this image hover effect cannot be created. Here the padding is 10 pixel and 20 pixel, so that the text and the heading will be so much inside on the center day. Here in the text transform is capitalize each word, and font family or font size is 20 pixel. Here I have display will be flags, align item will be center, and justify content will be center, so that the content of our means the div will be at the center. So setting the color so that it will be more visible to us. Here then I am mistaken or not, put the opacity 0 so that the image will be visible to us, and 1 on the opacity 1, then the text area will be visible. Here we want to rotate our text area to the 90 degree. Here going to the inspect element, here in the selecting text area, adjust this angle according to your choice. Here I want to show the animation from 250 to starting from 250 and going to 0. So put here 250 degree, so that at the top, and then when I hover this container, then the text area of this will have a transform rotate x. Here put the opacity 0 so that it will not be visible. Here copy this line of code. Here you have to create 0 degree, but there is no effect, so because I have do not put in the opacity 1 here, as you can see, but they have been a wrong side, so minus. As you can see, when I hover the image, then the text area will come from the back side. So cutting the extra lines here, then in the container section, when I hover the container section, then the image will fade out from rotate x-axis 90 degree. So we are going to adjust, but it is as you can see our transition is completed, but give a background color on the container so that it will be more attractive. As you can see, when I hover my image, then the text area will come from the back side, and adjust the color so that the text area will be more visible to the user. Here in this at the last, please comment it down what are the mistaken that is done by me in this video, that thing to be improved on the next upcoming videos. Please comment it down so that in the next video I will be able to improve those mistakes with a new updated views and new updated content. At last, thanks for watching this video, and like and comment this video if you kind of content, and subscribe.